When you enter a domain name into your browser, your computer first checks its local cache for the corresponding IP address. If the IP address is not found locally, a DNS request is sent to a local DNS server, often managed by your company or internet service provider, ISP. The local DNS server checks its cache for the IP address. If the IP address is cached, the server sends the cached IP address back to your computer, allowing your browser to connect to the website. If the IP address is not cached, the local DNS server forwards the request to a recursive DNS resolver, which begins querying other DNS servers. It starts with the root name server, which directs the query to the appropriate top-level domain, TLD name server, for example, .com or .org. The TLD name server forwards the query to the authoritative name server for the domain, which provides the IP address for the requested domain name. The recursive DNS resolver returns the IP address to the local DNS server, which caches it and sends it back to your computer. Your browser uses the IP address to connect to the website.